Hello, this is Sharif for Just.nailedit, and welcome to SheModern Saturday. Today we are going to be playing with some kitties. I have these two new plates off of Amazon, DRDSL0014. We got some kitties up here that we're going to play with, as well as some kitties up here from DRDSL0015. We're going to play with those. I got my jelly reinforced stamper, my scraper. I've got my nails. This is the polish, just by Nail Reserve LA. It is Focus Cherry Focus. Can't see. Another glass. There's this beautiful, beautiful color, true to color with the cap. And I love this color. It's beautiful. So we are going to dive right in. We're going to use this plate first. Start with the pinky nail. And we're going to be stamping with, take my cap off, my black sticky stamping polish by SheModern. I want to take the little kitty here, little baby kitty. Wipe your brush off. You need minimal, you don't need a lot. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty. You don't need a lot. Oh, that's a little kitty, kitty. We're going to jump over to the middle nail. Should we do? Oh, I think I'm going to do him right here. He looks like he's very curious. Very curious. Yes, he does. Just looking and peering over the wall. Perfect pickup. Make sure I get him good. There we go. Look at there. Perfect transfer. Now we've got our index. Oh, something fell behind me. Good lordy. Exactly. Somebody this one here in the corner eating. Reminds me of Garfield the cat. Sitting over there chowing down. He is hardly chowing down. This plate's got a lot of cute images on it. It's got some double stamping of butterflies. Be careful here. Okay. Make sure we got everything. There we go. Let's switch over to our other plate now. These plates are brand new from Amazon. I already primed them. We're going to do our index nail now, which this one I'm going to go in with some stencil glue from SheModern. That's what I'm going to do to it first. So we're going to make it glow in the dark. Yes, we are. We're going to make this one glow in the dark first. So I'm going to pop it in the lamp for 6. Alright, we are back. We are fresh out of the lamp with this nail. I'm going to be using the blue to glow in the dark, blue to blue pigment pixie. See? Pigment pixie. It's a little bit finer than the other, but she's got also a pigment to powder. This is a free-flowing bottle, so be very careful. Tap, tap, tap. Make sure you cover the edges, the tip. Rub. We're going to need more. Going to need more, Batman. Going to need more, I was. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap, tap, tap. I'm going to get my brush it off so there's no excess on the nail. And I will be top coating. Sorry for reaching. Let me brush it off again with my finger. Where's my other top coat? Okay. Wipe this off real well, pour it back in, not to contaminate. Putting this back in the lamp for, I'm gonna put it in for 30. Alright, we are back. I was waiting for the glow to go away. I don't want you to see it just yet. I'm taking a certain little kitty right here. Some of you are going to probably think, oh my god, I can't believe you're using that one. Well, I am. I think it's kind of funny. Low and slow. Take off what you don't want on the nail. The excess, use your tape, your lint roller, your scraping card. And there we go. Now, liberty off camera of cleaning up my mess. Top coating, maybe add a little bit of bling to save time. And I'll be back. Alright, we are back. The nail's got 30 seconds left on the clock. I wanted to show you SheModern has their own line of glossy top coats. They have a satin, matte, shiny. Check them out on the catalog, SheModern.com. They've got a slew of products that you would be dying to get your hands on. Use my code at checkout. You have the 67, all caps. We got 7 seconds left to go. Let me shut some lights off so we can see the glow in the dark of the nail. Got my tablet out in front of me. Hoping you can see the glow of the nail just as well. This one's going to slightly glow because it's kind of a practice, but this one should be glowing really nice and well. Kind of block this a little bit. I think this turned out really super cute. I really do. I'm loving the kitties. Love, love, love. Turn that lights back on. Oh. Oh. So here we are back in the daylight. So you can tell this one is darker blue because of the pigment powder, pigment pixie glow in the dark. Makes it blue to blue, blue to blue, 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 blue. So take a gander, take a gander. I think this turned out really cool. All the kitties. All the kitties. I think they turned out really nice. I'm loving this fat cat here, eating his sausages. This one's giving you the stink eye. You got the baby kitty over here. This one's like a striped tiger cat. I like that one. But let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of my kitty manicure for today. I should have colored them in, but I don't know. Hopefully it would have went as well. Especially the glow in the dark. Giving you stink eye. So leave me your words, your thoughts, your constructive criticisms down below in the comment box. Use my code at checkout, NailedIt67. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell, that way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may slide across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.